One of the most powerful things I've learned in all my years of studying the human body is this: we are not meant to slowly fall apart as we age. We are built with systems that protect, repair, and even regenerate our health every single day. But the truth is, most people never learn how to activate those defenses. They let time, stress, and poor habits do the talking. Imagine if I told you that inside your body right now, there are powerful armies, tiny microscopic defenders fighting for you, keeping you alive, repairing damage, and preventing disease even as you listen to this. They don't need a prescription to work. They just need the right conditions. That's what I call activating your health defense system. Now, let's talk about something important, especially for men over 50. It's no secret that many men begin to feel their energy slipping. They notice changes in stamina, slower recovery after workouts, maybe a bit of extra weight that just won't leave. Their sleep gets lighter, stress hits harder, and somewhere deep down, they start to wonder if this is just part of getting older. But it doesn't have to be. Your body is not failing you. It's waiting for you to give it what it needs to thrive. Think of it like a high-performance engine. It can run for hundreds of thousands of miles if you give it the right fuel and care. And the truth is, men after 50 have a huge opportunity. Because by that age, you already know yourself. You've lived enough life to understand your rhythms, your habits, your triggers. The key now is to make your biology work for you, not against you. Let's start by understanding how your health defense system actually works. You have 5 major systems that constantly protect you. Angiogenesis, that's your blood vessel defense. Regeneration through stem cells, your microbiome is the bacteria that keep your gut and immunity strong, your DNA protection system, and your immune system. When these 5 systems are in balance, your body can resist disease, heal faster, and maintain youthful energy for decades. But here's where the problem begins. Modern lifestyles weaken these defenses without us even realizing it. Poor diet, long sitting hours, lack of sleep, stress, and even loneliness. They chip away at our body's ability to defend itself. The good news: you can start reversing that today. And it doesn't take a complete life overhaul. It starts with small, smart steps that add up over time. For example, timing plays a huge role in activating these defenses. When you eat, how long you fast, how much sunlight you get when you sleep, all these signal your body to either heal or break down. A simple example: your blood vessel defense system works best when you're not constantly snacking. Giving your body a few hours between meals allows it to reset, reduce inflammation, and repair microscopic damage inside your arteries. And it's not just about food, it's about lifestyle rhythm. Our ancestors lived with natural light and darkness. Their bodies evolved to sync with the sun. But today, we've lost that connection. Reconnecting with that rhythm, getting morning sunlight, eating earlier in the day, and sleeping in darkness reawakens your body's internal defenses. The first thing I tell men over 50 is this: stop fighting your body. Start listening to it. That afternoon fatigue, it's not weakness, it's a signal. That craving for something fresh or green, it's your microbiome asking for real food. Every ache, every dip in energy is your body whispering, "Help me help you." When you start tuning in, something remarkable happens. You stop seeing health as something to chase and start experiencing it as something that naturally unfolds from within you. That's what activating your health defense system is really about. It's not just avoiding disease, it's about unlocking a new level of vitality that was always there, waiting for you to notice. So now that we understand how our body's defense systems work, let's talk about how to turn them on, starting with one of the most powerful levers you already control: everyday food. Food is not just fuel, it's information. Every bite you take sends a message to your body. It can either whisper, "Stay strong, repair, protect," or it can scream, "Inflammation, damage, stress." The choice happens 3 times a day, every day, right on your plate. Here's something fascinating. Your blood vessel defense system, known as angiogenesis, can be fine-tuned by what you eat. For example, foods like green tea, tomatoes, berries, turmeric, and even black coffee help your body prune away unnecessary blood vessels that feed disease while keeping the healthy ones strong. That's how your body stays balanced. Not too much, not too little. Think of it this way: your blood vessels are highways delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. Over 60,000 miles of them. When they're clear, your brain stays sharp, your muscles recover faster, and your heart works effortlessly. When they're clogged or inflamed, everything slows down: energy, focus, even your mood. Now, let's talk about the timing of food, because when you eat can be just as powerful as what you eat. Most men over 50 benefit from what I call metabolic rest periods. It simply means giving your body time to repair between meals. You don't need to do extreme fasting. Even 12 hours overnight, say finishing dinner at 7 p.m. and eating breakfast at 7 a.m., gives your body a window to activate repair mode. During that time, your defenses get stronger. Your stem cells wake up. Your body starts clearing out old, damaged cells and replaces them with new, healthier ones. That's how regeneration begins. Stem cells are your body's own repair crew. They're waiting for the signal that says it's time to rebuild. And that signal often comes when you're not eating. So timing is a tool you can use to your advantage every single day. Now, let's not forget the immune system, your ultimate defense line. As you age, it needs more support, not less. That doesn't mean more supplements. It means more real foods that feed it. Foods like mushrooms, garlic, olive oil, pomegranate, and leafy greens have compounds that literally train your immune cells to be smarter and more efficient. They reduce overreactions so your body doesn't attack itself, and they strengthen your first response to infection. There's a word I love: balance. Health is not about doing everything perfectly. It's about finding balance in your choices. If you eat something indulgent, balance it the next day with something green, something natural, something alive. If you have a stressful week, balance it with time outside, movement, laughter, or rest. Those moments are medicine too. And yes, movement matters, but not just for burning calories. Exercise literally stimulates your health defense systems. When you walk, your body releases growth factors that help your blood vessels regenerate. When you lift weights or stretch, your stem cells become more active. And when you finish a workout and rest, your immune system resets itself. But here's something many people miss. You don't have to overdo it. You don't need 2 hours in the gym. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking, dancing, swimming, or any movement you enjoy can trigger these healing pathways. What matters is consistency. Every day you move, you're telling your body, stay alive, stay young, keep building. And let's not forget sleep. During deep sleep, your brain clears out waste, your immune system recalibrates, and your DNA repair system goes to work. Think of sleep as your nightly tune-up. Without it, even the best diet or supplements can't make up for the repair you're missing. So prioritize it. Go to bed at a similar time each night. Keep your room cool and dark and give your body that window to restore itself. When you combine smart eating, good timing, daily movement, and quality sleep, you're no longer surviving. You're activating your built-in healing codes. Your body starts to work like it was designed to: strong, alert, and deeply resilient. One of the most overlooked ways to activate your body's health defenses has nothing to do with what you eat. It's what you feel. Stress, worry, isolation, and constant mental noise can quietly shut down your body's ability to defend and repair itself. You can eat the right foods, exercise daily, and still feel run down if your mind is constantly on alert. That's because your stress hormones like cortisol send a powerful signal to your body. Survival mode. When you're in survival mode, your body shifts resources away from long-term health and into short-term safety. Your immune system slows down, your stem cells become less active, your blood vessels stiffen, and your inflammation rises. It's as if your internal repair crew gets sent home early, leaving the job half done. But here's the good news. You can train your body to recover from stress faster. You can actually teach your biology to be calm and alert at the same time. It's not about never feeling stress. It's about bouncing back quickly when it happens. Start with your breath. Something as simple as taking 5 slow, deep breaths can drop your heart rate, lower cortisol, and signal your nervous system that it's safe to repair. I often tell people, your breath is medicine. You carry it with you everywhere. And here's something remarkable. Gratitude, optimism, and connection also strengthen your health defenses. When you feel gratitude, your brain releases chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin that improve your immune response, lower inflammation, and even help your gut bacteria flourish. Science now shows that people who practice gratitude have higher levels of protective immune cells. Connection matters too. Loneliness, especially in men over 50, can suppress the immune system and increase the risk of chronic illness. But spending time with family, friends, or even volunteering can reverse those effects. Human connection literally lights up healing pathways inside your brain. So if you want to boost your health defenses today, reach out to someone you care about, share a meal, laugh. That's medicine too. And then there's your environment, the air you breathe, the light you see, and the sounds that surround you. All of it communicates with your body. Getting natural sunlight in the morning resets your circadian rhythm and boosts your DNA repair system. Spending time in nature, even 20 minutes in a park or by the sea, lowers stress hormones and reduces inflammation markers in your blood. Your body knows when it's connected to nature. The scent of trees, the rhythm of waves, even the sound of birdsong sends calming signals through your nervous system. You were designed to live in balance with your environment. Reconnecting to that natural rhythm is one of the easiest, most powerful ways to activate your health defenses. And let's talk about mindset. One of the greatest mistakes people make as they age is believing that decline is inevitable. But your mindset has biological consequences. When you believe you can heal, when you believe your body is capable of renewal, your cells actually respond to that belief. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, even 70s who completely changed the trajectory of their health, not by chasing youth, but by choosing vitality. They started small, eating better, walking daily, sleeping deeply, managing stress. Over time, their energy returned, their focus sharpened, and their lab results improved. They didn't find a miracle cure, they activated what was already within them. Remember, your health defenses never disappear. They may get quieter when you neglect them, but they're always ready to respond. Every healthy choice you make, every meal, every walk, every deep breath sends a message. It's time to repair, protect, and grow. The body listens. It always has. So even if you've spent years feeling like your best days are behind you, I want you to know your biology is on your side. You just need to give it permission to work for you again. Let's talk about what a day looks like when your health defense system is fully activated. Not a perfect day, just a powerful, balanced one. Because healing doesn't come from big changes once in a while. It comes from small, consistent actions you take every single day. Morning is where it all begins. When you wake up, your body's internal clock, what we call your circadian rhythm, is resetting. This is the perfect time to start your day in a way that supports your natural biology. Before reaching for your phone, open your curtains or step outside for a few minutes. That morning light tells your brain, it's time to wake up and start producing energy. It triggers hormones that keep you alert during the day and helps your body produce melatonin later for better sleep. Next, hydrate. Overnight, your body loses water through breathing and repair processes. Drinking a glass of water before anything else reactivates circulation and supports your kidneys, which are part of your detox and defense systems. Add a squeeze of lemon if you like. That little bit of vitamin C gives your immune system an early boost. Breakfast doesn't have to be heavy. What matters is quality. A bowl of oatmeal with berries, a handful of nuts, maybe a cup of green tea. These foods are rich in polyphenols and antioxidants that directly activate your body's angiogenesis and DNA repair defenses. They literally switch on your healing genes. As the day goes on, your goal is to keep your energy steady. Many people experience a mid-afternoon crash because they eat foods that spike their blood sugar early in the day, like white bread or sugary cereals. Instead, focus on foods that keep you fueled longer: whole grains, leafy greens, beans, olive oil, fish, and fresh fruits. These support your microbiome and help your blood vessels stay flexible and healthy. Movement is another key. It's not about long, intense workouts. It's about staying in motion. If you have a desk job, get up every hour and move for a few minutes. Walk, stretch, roll your shoulders, or take a few deep breaths. Each time you move, you're improving blood flow and signaling your body to stay active and alert. By midday, if you can, step outside again. A few minutes of sunlight helps maintain your vitamin D levels, which are crucial for your immune defenses. If you can eat lunch outdoors or near natural light, even better. The goal is to reconnect your body's natural rhythms with the world around you. In the afternoon, many people feel stress building up. Instead of pushing through it, try pausing for 5 minutes. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, or simply look out the window. This simple act lowers cortisol and resets your focus. Your body uses that moment of calm to strengthen its repair systems. When evening comes, timing matters again. Try to finish dinner a few hours before bedtime. This allows your digestive system to rest so your stem cells can start their nightly repair work. Foods like tomatoes, mushrooms, garlic, and leafy greens support that process beautifully. After dinner, reduce exposure to bright screens and lights. When you keep scrolling late at night, your brain gets mixed signals and delays melatonin production, the hormone that helps you sleep deeply. Instead, read a few pages of a book, listen to calming music, or just sit quietly for a few moments. That's when your body starts to unwind and prepare for deep repair. Sleep is your final and perhaps most powerful defense activator. During deep sleep, your brain cleans out waste proteins that build up during the day. The same proteins linked to memory decline and aging. Your immune cells patrol your body, repairing damage and removing toxins. Think of it as your internal repair shift clocking in for the night. So by the time you wake up, your body has already been hard at work protecting you. And that's the beauty of living in rhythm with your biology. You don't have to fight for health, you align with it. When you give your body what it naturally needs, light, movement, real food, and rest, it responds with energy, focus, and vitality. It's not a quick fix, it's a quiet revolution inside your cells. Now that you understand how powerful your health defense system truly is, I want you to realize something deeper. This isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. It's about reclaiming energy, focus, and strength at any age. Because age by itself doesn't cause decline, disconnection does. Disconnection from your food, your body, your environment, and even your sense of purpose. When you start reconnecting, your biology responds almost immediately. You'll feel it. Your mornings start clearer, your sleep becomes deeper, your digestion improves, and your mind feels lighter. That's not magic. That's your body saying, finally, you're working with me, not against me. The truth is, we were never designed to be sick all the time. Our biology evolved to defend us, to repair, regenerate, and protect. Disease doesn't happen because our body forgets how to heal. It happens when we stop giving it the conditions it needs to do so. And that's what this journey is about. creating the conditions where healing becomes your body's default setting again. So if you've ever felt like your health is slipping away, if you've ever thought it's too late to change, I want you to remember this: your health defenses never retire. They are always ready to come back to life the moment you decide to nurture them. It begins with awareness, understanding that every choice, no matter how small, counts. The food you eat, the way you move, the people you spend time with, even the way you think, all of it either strengthens or weakens your internal defenses. And the most powerful thing is you control that balance. Start simple. Add one healing food to your day, maybe a handful of blueberries or a cup of green tea. Take a 20-minute walk outside. Get a little sunlight in the morning. Turn off your phone an hour before bed. Those small steps ripple through your biology in ways you can't see, but your body feels them instantly. And as you build these habits, you'll start to notice something profound. Your body begins to trust you again. It starts repairing faster, resisting illness, and performing like it used to years ago. That's what activation feels like, not sudden, but steady and strong. There's also one more piece that ties all of this together: purpose. Your body thrives when your mind has direction. When you wake up knowing you're moving towards something meaningful, it changes your chemistry. Your brain releases hormones that reduce inflammation, improve focus, and strengthen immunity. Purpose is medicine too. Whether it's caring for your family, creating something new, or simply choosing to be better than you were yesterday, it fuels your healing journey. And remember, perfection isn't the goal. Progress is. Even on the days you slip, your health defense system doesn't give up. It keeps adapting, repairing, waiting for you to come back into alignment. That's the beauty of being human. You are built to recover. So as you go forward, think of your body not as something that's breaking down, but as something that's constantly rebuilding. Every day is another chance to activate your defenses, to give your cells the message: grow, heal, and protect. You don't need to search for a miracle. You are the miracle. Every system within you is designed for renewal. When you eat right, move daily, sleep deeply, manage stress, and live with gratitude, you're not just preventing disease, you're unlocking your body's highest potential. So here's my challenge to you: start today. Not next week, not next year. One decision, one meal, one breath at a time. Because the moment you choose to activate your health defense system, your body listens. And that's when real healing begins.